Hey everybody, Happy New Year. It's me, NJT Amtrak guy, and I'm back at the World Trade Center once again for kind of a quick look update. Got really gloomy day today, cloudy, overcast, but I'm here today to show you a quick look at everything, what's going on. For the holidays, I was away for North Carolina to visit some family, and now I'm back, and we're just getting back into the swing of things. Looks like the PATH station appears to be closed for some reason, but I don't know what's going on behind that. Here's Tower 2, and here's Tower 3. Man, do I have to say, Tower 3 is getting big, and that's just the base, the podium section. I can tell, since my last update, more steel's been added. Tower 2 has also had some things added too. It's amazing how this stuff looks. Glass is almost up to the bulkhead on Tower 4. And as far as the Freedom Tower goes, One World Trade Center, we are starting to see more work done on the base, as the base is now being squared off. The base is being squared off right here. I heard it was a new design change. So it's not going to have these slanted corners. It's going to be completely squared off. So that's work done on the base. We can see all the way up to those mechanical floors as well. Again, I'd like to say now I'm sorry if I miss a few things, but it's kind of a gloomy day. Some views may be obstructed, so I'll do the best I can. It appears we still have pieces of the antenna spire still sitting here, but that's still a long way off. There's still a lot to do on the roof before other pieces of the spire or antenna can be lifted. But it looks like some pieces may have been moved. Right here, I think these pieces here are wrapped up. I'm guessing for protection from the weather. But then again, these pieces here are sticking out. Looks like some staircase assemblies have been added for, I guess, minor work before they're hoisted to the top. Now that the scaffolding is removed, I can take a straightforward look from here. Gives you another really good view of the perspective and the design of this building. So yeah, here are some pieces of the antenna spire. Again, I don't think anything's changed with these two right here, but I'm looking at those other pieces that have been wrapped up. There's something going on right there. That one piece of the antenna spire is still up there and has not yet been installed. So that may take a while. Right there looks like it may actually be a part of the communications ring that sits at the base of the antenna spire, but I can't really tell because it's wrapped up. Got more platforms right here. And right here is Tower 3. A lot of progress done on the podium base. I'm sorry, I can't get a good angle here. And then we have Tower 4. Alright, I remember last time those pieces for the antenna were right here. So apparently they have been moved and repositioned. Here's another look at the base. And yes, I can confirm that those pieces are moved. I guess that means more pieces for the spire will be lifted soon. There's another one of those corners for the base to be squared off. So they're going to do that on all four sides. And the base isn't going to have this slanted diagonal design here anymore when completed. Downstairs outside the World Financial Center. Here is One World Trade Center, Freedom Tower. And if you look right there, I don't know if you can see it. You got some of that special glass for the mechanical floors. There are gaps in between them. Kind of looks like the office glass, but it's supposed to be different for those floors. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll try to get a better angle of it. But there are gaps in between those glass panels. I would guess that the type of glass that they're doing up there is going to be similar to Tower 4's right there on that platform. I'm guessing it's going to look like that. But for now, we just have to wait and see. I'll try to see if there's any more later on. So yeah, I guess it would look like that. Right there is Tower 3. A lot of progress. The podium section is nearly complete. Looks like the entrance here for the World Financial Center is making progress. This will be a completely new entrance. Nah, I was gonna try to look at that squared corner right there, but I'm gonna have to go around. And I'll stand back here. I'll get over to it. So again, the base, Tower 1, One World Trade Center, and Tower 4 is right there, of course. And again, I don't know if you can see the special glass right there for the mechanical floors. There are gaps in between them. Okay, here's a somewhat better look. at the glass. Right there you can see the gaps, I guess for air vents and more mechanical equipment to be installed. As I said, the best I can relate it to now is Tower 4's type of mechanical floor glass. But right now we just have to wait and see till watch it wrap around.